best playpens. As parents seek safe and flexible play spaces for their babies, the demand for high-quality baby playpens has soared. These versatile play yards provide a secure environment where babies can explore, play, and rest, all while giving parents peace of mind. In this guide, we review the best baby playpens based on build quality, safety features, portability, ease of assembly, and overall value. Whether for home or travel, there's a playlist. 1. Foldable Wooden Baby Playpen Activity Center. Adjustable size and shape. This foldable wooden baby playpen blends functionality with natural aesthetics. Perfect for parents who prefer a stylish, non-plastic look. Made from high-quality pine wood, it offers an adjustable layout, allowing you to create square, rectangular, or hexagonal play areas. The interlocking panels are sturdy and feature smooth edges for safety. Despite its solid structure, it's surprisingly portable and foldable, making it easy to store or relocate. The fence design offers 360-degree visibility. List 2. Pamo Babe Portable Playpen. Foldable Playard with Mattress. The Pamo Babe Portable Playpen is a lightweight and travel-friendly solution, perfect for on-the-go families. It includes a foldable playard frame and a soft mattress, making it suitable for naps and playtime alike. The breathable mesh walls offer great airflow and visibility, ensuring baby safety and comfort. What sets it apart is its quick setup and compact fold, ideal for trips, grandparents, homes, or small apartments. The neutral color palette blends well with any decor. Suitable for babies and toddlers up to 35 inches tall. List 3. Toddleroo by North States Super Yard 8-panel baby play yard. Known for their durable baby gates, Toddleroo by North States delivers with the Super Yard. A large freestanding play yard with 8 panels that can cover up to 34.4 square feet. It's designed for indoor and outdoor use, featuring weather-resistant plastic panels and non-slip pads. The interlocking panels are easy to configure, and a swing-open door with a safety lock adds extra convenience. List 4. Zeebaba Baby Playpen with Mat 47 by 47 inch playpen for toddlers. The zeebaba Baby Playpen is a compact and cozy solution for smaller spaces. Measuring 47 by 47 inches, it's perfect for apartments, playrooms, or as a secondary play area. This model includes a soft, waterproof mat, adding extra comfort for crawling and playing. The mesh sides provide ventilation and allow parents to keep an eye on their little one. Setup is simple, with durable. List 5. Baby Playpen 47 by 47 inch toddler playpen for apartment living. Designed specifically for apartment dwellers or minimalist homes. This 47 by 47 inch baby playpen offers a sturdy, compact play area without the bulk. Built with anti-collision corners, mesh sides, and non-slip suction cups, this model prioritizes both safety and functionality. The frame is made from durable alloy steel, and the fabric is soft yet easy to clean, perfect for messy little adventurers.